Hi everyone. This is how you use a simple pendulum lab simulation. So you need to be in the lab part. So you basically drag your mass to the 45-degree, whether it's positive or negative, it's not really important. It could be negative, which is left side. It could be positive, which is right side. Basically, you just make sure that you're reading the angle here as 45 every time you do that, please. And I opened up energy graph just to show you that how the energy total is conserved in the system. For the next chapter, it's useful, really not in this lab activity at all. I clicked on both period timer and stopwatch. You will be using the period timer. I want you to try yourself with the stopwatch to see your reaction time. And the length is 0.5, mass is 1 kilogram, gravity is Earth's gravity, so you don't touch gravity, and friction, no friction. And basically, you just swipe down and up or use the arrows to change these values as the instructions tells you to do. What you do is basically start your swing back and forth, and the period timer is going to be showing you the period that you need to record on your boxes for a given length, mass, and gravity. And what I mean by try yourself for the reaction time is like, again, the period is to complete one cycle. So if you look at the leftmost point, which is this bar here, right? This mark. So when the string touches here, goes forward and comes backward at the same point, that's the time you need to time, right? In the lab, you would be timing yourself this period, not the simulation. So what you do is that when you see the string touches the leftmost point or rightmost point, vice versa, um, you just start your timer and stop it when it comes back. I believe I just pressed it a little early, but this is how you basically try to see your own timing, whether it's close or not, and if your, you know, reaction time is long or short. Once again, the total energy is, as you can see from the bar graph, is conserved while kinetic and potential energy is changing in an inverse proportional manner. But this is going to be a concept of next chapter. I just want to show you that the simple pendulum swing is based on energy conservation, especially when there is no friction. You will see that E total is going to be constant throughout the whole time. And the swing is going to be basically repeating itself forever as long as there's no friction or any other interruption from outside. So it's a nice demonstration of energy conservation for the next chapter as well. You can also click on velocity and acceleration just to see their direction and magnitude, how do they change throughout this motion. But basically, it's a pretty simple simulation to use. I hope this helps you to do your simple pendulum lab. Have a good day.